Hi, in this video we are going to see how to insert an image inside our sheets on Bonsai, of course. In this moment, if I print my sheets, here it is completely empty, and first of all we need to create an SVG image. For example, in this case I want to use this one. You have to import inside Inkscape, and after that you need to export into SVG. It's very simple. Go here, go to export, or you can click this one, go to export, and you will have this this panel. Go here, and after that you need to select, put the name, of course, a image, and the format needs to be SVG, a pure as SVG file. Otherwise it's not Bonsai doesn't recognize well the object. So after that, go to your folder. In this case for me is this one, and image, solve, and you done it. After that, go to Bonsai, go to drawings and documents, go down, and when you find reference, open it, add the reference, and of course choose the SVG file, add reference. After that, select it and go to the upper part and select this button, add reference to sheets, only to be sure that we made it. And yes, after that you can also open it with the arrange the layout. Of course you can use the Inkscape program, and of course you can move it, you can scale it, and arrange it inside your sheets. That's it.